Designing your nails is a simple and enjoyable method to express your individuality while also elevating your overall appearance. There is a manicure out there for everyone, whether you want to play it safe with a straightforward French manicure or take a more daring approach with elaborate patterns. You are able to make one-of-a-kind nail designs for any event thanks to the most recent developments in nail art trends. You may display your personal style through the design of your nails, and the designs you choose can range from current geometric forms to exquisite florals. The designs that you put on your nails are an excellent method to communicate your unique sense of style and to add pizzazz to your overall appearance. Because there are so many different alternatives, it can be challenging to select the layout that works best for you. There are a lot of different ways to make your nails stand out, and it doesn't matter if you want something understated or outlandish. Simple nail art is the best option for individuals who are looking for something understated. A timeless appearance that has just the perfect amount of pizzazz may be achieved by using just one hue and embellishing it with dots or stripes. If you want your nails to be more eye-catching, try adding some geometric shapes or even glitter for a striking impact. Both of these options are sure to attract people's attention. In particular, acrylic nails offer the perfect canvas for intricate designs such as floral patterns and abstract imagery. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.